creative skills. What are some new skills that you desire to learn that you begin working on, and what has been the process in learning those skills? Has it been frustrating? Has it been easy? Has it caused you to say, let me pick up the phone and talk to someone, or let me watch a ton of YouTube videos? What have been some new creative skills you're working on?
Well, definitely working on my editing. Doing the, like I mentioned earlier, doing the kind of car videos has forced me to do a lot more editing and to try to speed up my editing approach and not get so fixated on perfection. Also working better to make sure hooks, that you got to start off with a hook at the beginning of the show to try to get viewers on and get them watching. And so I'm trying to do a much better job at going ahead and saying, this is what the show is going to be about, and get that out there as quick as I can, that first 10 to 15 seconds. Really just trying to keep the order of the show going and kind of going back more to a checklist kind of style to make sure I hit all the high notes that I want to hit every time that I go live and every time I do a recorded video, because and especially on the recorded videos, I want to make sure that the videos are time well spent, and I'm editing out anything that's fluff. I don't want I want it to be as skinny as possible, but as entertaining as possible at the same time. So, I may leave some mistakes in to keep it interesting, but those are the skills I'm working on.